Would you follow my mind? Just like the wind, I'm always pushing and pulling. Put this all to bed, we can start again. We can't be who we are if we're always just playing pretend. Making up my mind feels like it's almost impossible this time. And always memorizing lies, doing things that make me feel like I'm alive. I just need somewhere to go, someplace I can show. Forgetting everything, I take the freezing rain and turn it into something comforting. Telling the world some indifferent story. If I drew out a warning, would you follow my mind? Just like the wind, I'm always pushing and pulling. Put this all to bed, we can start again. We can't be who we are if we're always just playing selling the world some indifferent story. If I drew out a warning, would you follow my mind? Just like the wind, I'm always pushing and pulling. Put this all to bed, we can start again. We can't be who we are if we're always just playing pretend.
That it's your chance to be ruthless.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down.
The following day.
Yun guys, so what's up and good morning. So ito na yung Enduro 87 na dual pipe. So ito na siya. Bale nilagyan ko lang siya ng ano lang to, pang pa-testing lang natin tong tanke. So ito yung pipe na sa likod. So iano natin siya, I-sound check natin kung ano yung magiging tunog niya. Actually may lumabas nito guys na Enduro 58, kaso hindi ko siya na vlog kasi papalitan din naman siya ng 87, kasi 87 lang din yung itsura niya, pinagkaiba lang talaga yung sticker, tapos naka dual pipe din yung 58 na yun. So ibinalik lang din nila, halos pareho lang din naman kasi yung specs, dual pipe. So ayan, testing muna natin, sound check natin guys. So ayun guys, narinig nyo na yung tunog. Nung tinakpan ko to, mas malakas yung tunog, yung niya, yung buga. Nung tinakpan ko naman to, medyo mahina kasi hindi nga siya nakakadaloy dun dahil kumbaga mas maganda talaga yung mga ganito ng single pipe. Pero mas okay sa akin to kasi just in case na masira to, may reserba kayo dito guys. So ang mas maganda nito, tanggalin nyo na lang to. Pwede nyo naman takpan to dun eh. Ayan, madali lang naman takpan yan guys. Tapos pinaka-reserva nyo na tong canister elbow. So mas okay sa akin tong dual pipe kasi pwede mo siyang i-reserva yung isa. Kung di mo nagugustuhan yung tunog nito na parang merong ampaw dito sa kabila, pwede mo siyang takpan dito. Tapos ito na yung gamitin mo guys. Ayan, yung purpose siguro niya. Pero okay din naman siya mga dual pipe para style siya ng big bike, diba? Pero tignan natin kung ano magiging takbo niya. So, i-road test din natin siya.